What's up guys, it's Desert Bug Out and I'm back with another video. This time I got a little treat. One of my buddies, that's a fellow gun fanatic or miniature gun fanatic like I am, actually sent me something that is super cool. So let me show you. I'm gonna use my trusty little Cold Steel Recon 1 miniature knife. Alright, let's see here. Ooh! What is this? Damn, this is cool. Okay, let's get the box out of the way. Alright, let's see. Now this is super cool. Oh snap, it's a flash drive. Check it out. Little Uzi flash drive. Dope. Ooh, can you see that? Can you see what that is? I don't know if you guys ever heard of Dong San. It is a company out of Korea that makes little miniature guns, or they make models, and they made a few that are super hard to find now. These guys were doing it back in the day, but check it out. The K1, that one's from the same company. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh man, this is so cool. Adjustable stock. Put the cap in there. So it's a cap gun. Pull it back. Oh man. Pull the trigger. Look at that. Little Dong San Uzi. Top. Back. Oh man, this is so freaking cool. Looks like it's 1/3 scale. Does it say? It doesn't say, but it looks like it's 1/3 scale. Let me see here. Here's the K1. This is 1/3 scale. And the Uzi. Oh man, this thing is so freaking cool. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to my buddy. I won't name names, but he knows who he is. Cool. Alright, so that's the Dong San Uzi. I can't believe I finally have one in my collection. Oh jeez. It's gonna go, this is gonna look nice with the collection. But yeah, so that's my little video on this cool gift that my buddy gave me. Oh man. Yep. So anyways, if you like my video, hit the subscribe button. Or hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends about my channel. And I have an Instagram at Desert Bug Out. Oh man, check this out. It's got a little suppressor. Oh man, that's dope. And a display stand. Look at that. Displays like that. Super cool. So yeah, thank you big time to my friend who sent me this. I'm never letting this one go because I know how rare they are. But yeah, so stay tuned for some more videos. I still got a whole bunch more up my sleeve as far as content, so stay tuned, and got a couple of new things coming too. So anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.